Good morning, good afternoon, P1 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 17th of June 2020. Okay, so again, our learning target for today is that I can circle the correct force used in each picture below. So this was your assignment yesterday, and teacher just want to make sure that you write or circle the correct answer. So if you don't know how to edit or circle it when you edit this document, it's okay with me if you will just type it below the picture or type, you can message teacher, right? Private message teacher. Today, I'm just going to make an imaginary circle, like for example, like this, like that. So you can see which one is the answer, because I tried to put circles in it, but it just didn't work. So I have to do more research about it, and I tried many times, but still when I move the picture, when I include a circle into it and try to show you, but it won't. It doesn't do that well. Okay, so again, your learning objective is you can circle the correct force used in each picture below. So as you can see, here is a picture of a boy and his dog, and there's a string or a rope here. So what is the force that the boy needs to do with it? What's the action or force that he has to perform? It's pull, right? He wants to pull the dog so it will go closer to him. How about this button? What are we going to do with this? Are we going to push it or pull it? That's right, we will push. We push the button, push. How about this one? The girl is trying to zip her clothes or jacket. Is she going to push or pull it? Yes, she is going to pull. Very good. How about this girl? She is trying to put her socks on. Is she going to push the socks or pull the socks? Pull. Very good. How about this girl? She has a cart. See, she has a cart. And what is she going to do with the cart? Push or pull? She is going to pull the cart. Pull. Very good. How about this boy in the toy car, maybe a real car? Push or pull? Very good. Push. Excellent. Push. And how about this? They are in a merry-go-round. You see this in the playground. So in order for this to move, to turn, we have to push or pull. Push. Very good. How about this one? A boy and a dog in his cart. So push or pull? Pull. Very good. And how about this girl? She's playing with a ball. She is pushing or pulling the ball? Push, right? Push. So this one is push. Okay, let's review. So this is line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay, for line 1, the first picture is pull. The second picture is push. Third one is pull. Pull. How about line 2? Line 2, the girl is pulling her socks. Pull, pull. The girl is, how about this one? Pull, pull. How about this boy? Push, push. Very good. And line 3, we have, this one is push, right? So line 3, first picture, push. Second picture is pull. Very good. Pull. And the last picture for line 3, we have push, push. All right, so again, if your answers were not correct, you can always correct yourself. And because of that, you have a star. Are you ready? Yeah, I have a star for you. What's inside? See, it's a question mark. What's inside? And this is turtle. This is from Mario Toys. Ready? Oh, you have a happy star. Goodbye.